What is the best automatic watering system? Here are my full reviews of the best automatic watering system for indoor plants. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Rainpoint Wi-Fi Automatic Watering System for Indoor Potted Plants. DIY Drip Irrigation Kit. Remotely control auto/manual/delay watering mode. The Rainpoint Automatic Watering System can be controlled with the Rainpoint app. The app will send you notifications when your automatic watering plan is active or when the pump runs out of water. Before you purchase this system, you should know that you can only connect with a dual router or 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The irrigation plan can be customized according to humidity, the sunset or sunrise, or temperature. You can set the water duration from as short as 6 seconds to as long as 30 minutes. It also allows you to set the watering frequency from 124 hours or 17. The flow of water is steady at about 30 L/hour. The Rainpoint app allows adding several users to the family, allowing them to co-manage the watering system. You can even choose from 10 different irrigation conditions. For example, weekly irrigation, and irrigation with temperature, irrigation with humidity, etc. The timer also includes features like delay start, smart senses, etc. The watering system can accommodate 10 plants on max and comes with necessary equipment like a 32.8 FT hose, micro drippers, 3 types of bar fittings, and a USB cable. The only drawback is the lack of an LCD. Number 2. Collier Reliable Automatic Watering System. Plant Self-Watering System Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit with 60-day programmable timer, LED display, and Kollea is a powerful digital watering system that ensures a reliable plant watering experience. It comes with a pump and timer that helps in saving water. The timer features a 60-day digital automatic watering system that waters the plants an hour for 60 consecutive days. You can set the water volume from 10,990 ml. It features a large LCD screen that is easy to read and keeps you updated about the time intervals, the amount of water supplied, and the battery life. The intelligent program memory allows the settings to be stored in the memory even when the device is switched off. The drip irrigation kit comes with a 2000 mAh built lithium battery and sustains USB charging. The hang buckle present at the back allows you to easily hang water buckets. The system claimed to save about 70% more water compared to traditional drip systems. Lastly, the kit includes all the necessary items like T-joints, water sticks, and a 32.8 FT hose. Features: once you set the time interval and the water volume, it works automatically. The system comes with a 200 mAh built-in lithium battery that supports USB charging. Even if the system's power is off, the scheduled settings and programming stay in the memory. The LED screen makes it easy to read. Number 3. Raindrip R560 DP Automatic Watering Kit for Container and Hanging Baskets. Water up to 20 plants with this kit. Raindrip is a trusted brand that has been manufacturing drips and micro irrigation systems since 1972. This system comes with everything you need to start your drip irrigation system. You can stop worrying about watering plants with your hands. The kit comes with a timer and supply tubing plus all the kits that you would need for setting to the watering system. It can water 20 plants at a time. You can customize this kit to water your hanging baskets or potted plants. Pressure compensating drippers comes with a flow rate of 1/2 G. The installation process is quite simple and can be easily done by oneself. It's all mentioned in their manual. The kit includes supply tubing with FHD adapter, 20 drippers, support stakes, old down clamps, barbed coupling, elbows, and features. It comes with all the essentials that you will require to water 20 plants. Easy installation process. The pressure regulator connected to the adapter reduces the water pressure, making it ideal for drip irrigation. The kit comes with an information guide and contact information to help you in the installation process. Number 4. Upgraded Pump I-preo High Power Houseplants Automatic Watering System for 15 Potted Plants. Automated watering device with 30-day programmable indoor. If you have an existing I-preo watering system, it has an upgraded pump. The upgraded water pump solves the problems related to water pressure and ensures a strong water supply. It drips water at a speed of 80 ml/. With the correct settings, the system provides a steady water flow to the plants. If you wish to control the water flow, you can change the number of drip emitters. The drip emitter comes in a voltage regulator design. It can water 15 plants at a time. Includes 33 feet hose, 3-way joints, filter, and a USB cable. The automatic water system stores its program in its internal memory. It has a manual watering mode but lacks other features like delay start. Also an LCD screen. We appreciate that it has a 2-way power supply, 4 AA batteries, and a USB cable charging. Besides, the digital panel makes it easy to read, and the 3-button system makes it easy to set. Features: the internal memory automatically saves the time cycle settings, easy to customize, and automatic watering for the plants. For easy setting, It has 3 buttons and a digital panel. Can be easily installed in 4 steps. Number 5. Automatic watering system for potted plants. Plant waterer, DIY drip irrigation kit with smart timer, waterproof LED display, and large capacity battery. Utica has developed an intelligent program for their automatic watering system that has gone through several tests in the laboratory. The watering frequency can be adjusted once in 6 hours to once in 15. The duration of the watering can range from 1 to 10 minutes. You can adjust the terminal's dropper similar to a faucet. The system is designed in such a way that you can assign different water levels for different terminals. The large LED and intuitive buttons in the system make operating the automatic water system quite easy. The system comes with a powerful motor that rejects the siphoning effect. There is no restriction from the water source, allowing you to keep the system at any given height. The growth of moss is prevented by the black tube. Features: the system can provide different levels of water at different outputs. Has a powerful motor. The large LED and intuitive buttons make it easier to work with. The terminal's dropper can be adjusted like a faucet.